Hey guys, welcome back to Tales and Pixels again. Today we are exploring Belém, which is near Lisbon. It's like 10 kilometer away and it is around the Tagus River, which is very famous. And Belém Tower is one of the most interesting part in the city. To reach here, you can catch a tram from the city center of Lisbon and you will enjoy this beautiful journey in summer quite a lot. You need at least half a day to explore this place, so I would suggest you to start this journey in the afternoon or maybe in the early in the morning. So this is Belém Tower, which was built in 16th century as one of the most important fortress around Lisbon. Sunset watch around Tagus River was really interesting. I really enjoyed my time here. It was so peaceful and calm. Let's explore a little bit more. Do you know this is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and there is a monastery which was built to honor Vasco da Gama's voice, and he was also buried here. Also, you will enjoy a lot of live performance around this place with a lovely sunset. I definitely recommend this place to visit. And we are back to Lisbon and let's enjoy the beautiful performances around the city.